In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Lastly, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this gear next to the device and select Forget next to Connect. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!